Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to purchase travel with Bitcoin. Stand by. Alright everyone, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at different websites that either will allow you to purchase travel with cryptocurrency or earn cryptocurrency from purchasing travel. So right now we're at cheapair.com and we are going to look at a flight from Los Angeles to New York, and it's from August 23rd to August 25th. Let's pretend we're going to Consensus. So we're going to book a round trip because that's typically how you get a lower fare. We're going to look at our dates because traditionally you need to stay over a Saturday night to get the lowest fare. Traditionally. Now sometimes you'll find a carrier who doesn't require that. You know, they may have a want to get away fare like Southwest does that is restrictive, but maybe not that restrictive. So it depends. You have to check the restrictions and the rules for the particular flight that you're looking at. But we're going to use the traditional model of leaving on a Friday, coming back on a Sunday. And there we are. So as you can see, they have a variety of flights. They show the cheapest to the highest. Our cheapest flight is $229 round trip. That is Los Angeles to LaGuardia. Now that's a one stop. You're going to stop in Houston. You have a non-stop flight, which is actually preferable and is not even that much more expensive, from Los Angeles to JFK. Leaves at 2:30, arrives JFK at 11:06. So let's pick that one. And we're going to do basic economy for this example. It gives you the option of upgrading. We're not going to do that. Alright, so now we have to do our return flight, and we're going to do another non-stop from JFK to Los Angeles. Okay, let's do a non-stop. Let's see, that's connecting in Charlotte, North Carolina. Preferably, guys, I mean, when you're looking for the lowest price, there's no option off the table. Okay, so we have a non-stop Los Angeles to JFK, 2:30 p.m. arriving JFK at 11:06 p.m. on Friday, August 23rd, 2019. Then a return flight from Newark, New Jersey at 10 a.m. arriving Los Angeles at 12:49 p.m. Your total per person, $396.48 because we selected for two. Total $792.96. Okay, here's where we get to the fun part. So, you're ready to book. You're going to enter your name and the name of the person traveling with you. And then you're going to scroll down to pay. So, as you can see, credit card, Bitcoin, and altcoins, Western Union, are monthly payment. I'm starting to see this monthly payment more and more on different sites. I mean, it's kind of like layaway for travel. But we're here for crypto. So we're going to select the option, and you have four. You can pay with Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, or Dash. Fill out the information below, and then purchase. So when you select your cryptocurrency, let's say we're just going to do Bitcoin. Okay, we're not going to do the travel insurance, and then we're going to purchase. Oops. I guess we're going to need to do this too. So let's see, Jason Nelson, gender male, and I'm just going to throw in a random date because it's not important. Let's see, 25th, and we're going to say 1980. Okay, second traveler, Von Marcel, who doesn't actually exist, but we're going to throw in a name anyway. Let's see, we're going to put him as October 31st. And year is also 1980. Okay, so we have the two names, and so there we are, and we don't need to create an account, and purchase. Okay, so since we selected Bitcoin, we should receive the typical send Bitcoin message, our QR code. So let's see what they do. Okay, and there we are. So you have your pay with Bitcoin, you have cheap air, and how much Bitcoin you need to send. In this case, 0.21, and then 842222, which is typical of sending cryptocurrency. So you have your booking number, and it gives you 15 minutes for the payment to arrive. So that's one option. We're going to cancel this because we're not going to do that. Now another option that you have is using a website that's a regular website that doesn't accept cryptocurrency, but you can use cryptocurrency to pay for it through another means. So we're on Expedia. Expedia doesn't accept Bitcoin. It was said a few years ago that they did, but I looked over the website a few times and I didn't see an option for that. So what I thought we should do is, instead of worrying about that, because people like Expedia, it's a popular, well-known, used everyday travel website. So what we would do is sign up for BitPay. Now BitPay is, it allows you to put cryptocurrency on a Visa card. Okay, not a Visa card, but a kind of like your bank's debit card has a Visa logo, right? So you can use it as a credit card or as a debit card. Same thing here. So you load your cryptocurrency onto your BitPay card, and then you put the card back in Expedia. So when Expedia sees it, all they see is a Visa number, and you process it like normal, and then the exchange happens on the back end, and you go about your trip. So one other option, Lolli. So Lolli is a service that allows you to earn cryptocurrency on different websites. So for example, this is Cheapo Air. Cheapo Air is another website that does not allow you to purchase flights or hotels or whatever with cryptocurrency, but by using this website you earn cryptocurrency by using it. So for example, this, let's see, activate up to 0.006198 Bitcoin back. Okay, and so that, once you purchase with this extension enabled, of course you need to click on this, it will factor the amount of your trip into Bitcoin, and then you'll get that amount back after you purchase. So if your flight is say $1,000, you'll get a percentage of that back in Bitcoin based on this what Lolli says as the Bitcoin back amount. Now your last option, which we're just going to talk about because we need to wrap this up, but it's not something that should be ignored. What you could do, if you were so inclined, is open a Coinbase account and send your cryptocurrency to your Coinbase account, and then have your Coinbase account, then through your Coinbase account, sell your cryptocurrency and put the funds onto your PayPal account, and then pay for the trip with the PayPal account. Now the only reason why we're not showing that is because I think that is probably the hardest way to do all of this. unless you already have all of that already set up. These other options allow you to send crypto straight from your wallet into these different mediums, and you don't have to do that. So that's it for today. I hope you will come back for more. We're going to keep on our conversation about cryptocurrency and travel. Also, we're going to see if we can find restaurants and wineries. Can we purchase wine with cryptocurrency? That's going to be an upcoming video, and I hope you come back for that. So, this is Jason with Dragon Wolf Tech. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you.